Hey everybody, I'm here for part 2 of this epic haul. I bought so much stuff while I was out shopping with my friend Jocelyn this past weekend. As I said yesterday, I didn't film it just because I was kind of having a great time being in the moment. I picked up a ton of stuff. Now, I did say that I wasn't going to do my haul videos anymore, but it's just because I have been spending way more time talking about the stuff, way more airtime because I've been doing 3 Whatnot shows a week. So I announced yesterday, in case you missed it, that on Friday, April 14th, I'm going to be doing a live shop along on Whatnot at one of my favorite antique malls. So that's Friday, April 14th. I'm going to start around 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. It's probably going to go on for a long time. I mean, I'm planning to go for a long time. We'll see how it actually goes. It's kind of a chaotic, crazy idea. I was kind of excited because I thought I was going to be like one of the first, but yesterday I told people on Whatnot that I was going to do it, and apparently a bunch of people have done it. So I'm going to join the crowd. I'm going to do it in my very Kate way. It's going to be chaotic. It's going to be fun. I also have a big secret. And I'm just going to tell you the secret now. So, because I ran out of time and energy yesterday because I was like, oh my gosh, look at all this stuff everywhere. I am leaving mid-May, and I'm going on a 6-week cross-country antiquing trip. I'm going to be going to antique stores and roadside attractions. I'm going to be doing Whatnot. I am going to be selling from the road. Okay, I have been planning this for over a year. I've known I'm going to be doing this, but the time has come and it's actually real now, and it's like a month away, and I'm so excited. So in case you're wondering, hey, like, why did you all of a sudden go from like 900 items to 200 items in your Etsy? It's because I am trying to downsize because I'm only going to bring so much supply with me because, like I said, I'm going to be shopping and I'm going to be selling from the road. So that's going to be a crazy journey. I'm so excited to take you guys with me. I have been dreaming about this forever. In fact, like even before I started my YouTube channel, I was talking to my friend Jocelyn, and she was like, have you ever thought about starting a YouTube? And I was like, I would love to do one where I go across country, thrifting and antiquing and just seeing a bunch of weird stuff. And it seems so far-fetched, and I just feel so blessed. It's been about a year and a month since I started YouTube, and I'm finally in a position where I can do something. I've literally wanted to do this since I was like a little girl. I'm just getting like choked up thinking about it. I'm so excited. So stay tuned for that. That's coming up. So that's kind of why I've been staying more local. I mean, it's not local to me. I drive like 4 hours every time I go shopping, pretty much. But I haven't been taking huge road trips because I'm gearing up for the road trip of a lifetime. So enough out of me. Let's get into the second box of stuff I got this weekend while I was out with my friends. I am doing this where I do my little Whatnot shows just because my office area is still so crazy. I'm almost at the point where I'm organized. Look at how cute these are. They're made in Japan, which I thought was kind of surprising. I love their little gingham outfits. I only paid $5 for the pair, so I am going to sell them separately. Again, most of this stuff is going to end up on Whatnot. Now, I have, of course, my lowest bottom dollar price on Whatnot essentially, and if it doesn't sell, then it will be going to my Etsy shop, but I have a feeling someone's going to scoop these up. They are adorable. We've been talking a lot about the shipping discounts that Whatnot offers, and I'm trying to take advantage of that while I can. I only paid $1 for this little owl pin, which is epic deal, especially because the first class items on Whatnot are awesome because you get the shipping discount. So it's basically like free shipping the way they do it. And I'm pretty sure, I don't want to give misinformation, but I'm pretty sure that Whatnot's owned by the same people who do Macari. So hold on. I was just going to flip the camera around while I talk about this. So I'm pretty sure Whatnot is owned by the same people who do Macari. And of course, when Macari started and when it started expanding and getting really big and it was the latest trend, everybody was obsessed with Macari. Things were going quick. It was just like you posted, it sold. You posted, it sold. And then the shipping rate started going up and up. And now it's like honestly more expensive to ship stuff on Macari than it is if you just like use pirate ship or Etsy, or even eBay shipping's cheaper, honestly. So that's why I'm kind of taking advantage as much as I can while it lasts. I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't last that long, maybe like a year or something. Let's see. That's just my trend prediction. There's no fact to that. I also was lucky enough to find the cutest little deer. Of course, it's got that polka dot. It's that kitschy face. Some of these go for a lot of money. I've never seen this exact one. Unfortunately, this one does have some paint loss, but I only paid $3 for it, which is super cheap. I wouldn't be surprised that even though this has a little bit of damage, it went for a decent amount. I'm definitely going to start the bid at like at least 13 or 14 just because of the Whatnot fees are a little bit higher than Etsy, but they're still lower than Mercari at this point. And again, another similarity between Mercari and Whatnot, Mercari fees were relatively low when they started and they just keep going up. So again, taking advantage of the trending app while we can. What is next? Oh, the Joseph Originals cats. I don't normally buy the little flocked Joseph Originals. However, these were so cheap. They were $6 for the pair, and they are cats. I mean, normally I feel like they're bears or mice or something, and but these like little Siamese cats, and there's ceramic underneath, which is neat. So I think I'll do all right on those. I can't decide. I think I want to sell them as a pair. I'm not sure. I guess we'll see. I have like another day or two before I list these. I love these little ring holders, especially the cat one. It's definitely one of my favorite ones to find. It is silver plated, but it's just like a generic metal. I love the rhinestone eyes and the design around here. I'm wearing my rubber ducky ring. I only paid $6 again, so this will also be going on Whatnot. I'm going to stop saying this will go on Whatnot. I'm only going to tell you. I've already like made it clear that pretty much everything's going to go to Whatnot first, except for a few things. Let's see, where's the next item? Okay, so this is really different. I only paid $3 for it. What's cool about it, I mean, I love the fact that it's a cat. We all love our cats. Ah, it's magnetic. How neat is that? Yeah, again, only $3. It says patent pending. Very cool. Germany. Yeah, that is super unique. You can see it's magnetic. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I have been having way too much fun playing with this. Way too easily amused. Now, this one is really neat too. This one says magnetic as well, but I guess it's missing its second part. It's got such a cool mid-century look to it. It is made in Germany as well. I love the pink bow on that. And I only paid $1.50 for it. Look at how epic that is with its green cat eyes. Literally cat eyes. And, of course, we all know how I'm a sucker for anything with those lenticular eyes. Jocelyn actually found this for me. We were standing talking, and she looked down, and she said, "Don't you usually pick these things up?" And I was like, oh, my gosh, how did I miss it? I was having too much fun. These are so neat. It's been a while since I've found one. They're kind of hard to find. Well, I guess Joss found it, but still. I only paid $3 for it. It is made in Hong Kong and lenticular. Oh, my gosh. Wait, I got the coolest lenticular sandals. Oh, I'm gonna have to show them off. I don't know where I put them, but I just got them in the mail today. I'm so excited. This is kind of fantastic. I've only had one of these before. It's sold for like $65, I want to say. It does have a couple, I feel like it had a couple little issues with it. It's a hobbyist one, and now I can't find the issue. But again, it's kind of made to look like Miss Priss. Maybe it was on the flower. I feel like they're usually on the flower. Not even. It's just like a little, yeah, it's like barely even a nick in the paint. But as you can see, it was $10 and then 20% off. So I only paid $8 for it. And again, what's awesome about this is I'm reluctant to pick up these heavy items for my Etsy shop because of the way my shipping works on Etsy. So my shop ships 35 and up free. So it's just like kind of a pain in the neck because this weighs about at least 3 pounds and then packing materials on top of that. So again, this will be perfect for Whatnot because of the way the shipping discounts work. This is a real gem. These are really hard to find. I not only got the little snail. Oh my gosh, wait, how much did I pay for this? It was so cheap. $2.50, which is insane. They are the plastic ones. They're not the ceramic ones. The ceramic ones I've had before. It sold for like $46 or something. If I remember correct, it was a while. And I did get the pair of the ladybugs too. Now, I don't know if this was like this when I bought it. I was so excited I just grabbed it. I'm assuming I broke it. But either way, I'll sell it as a pair. This one's in good condition. Again, $4, insanely cheap. The anthropomorphic bugs. They're something that people always ask me if I have, especially the Art ones. These are based off Joseph Originals. And these are Hong Kong. Yeah, so cute. Super hard to find. Really good price on them too. And again, we love how easy these are to ship. So I normally don't pick these up, one, because of the weight, but mostly because they're usually expensive when I see them. There's so many different versions of it. This is definitely a really fun one. I think the last one I saw that was even near reseller's price was pigs on it. It's even got the original foil sticker on it. What I failed to realize when I picked it up is that it has this huge chip, but it's on the inside at least, so I still don't regret it, especially because I only paid $9.60 for it. So that is awesome. And I love the fact that these are double-sided. And oh my gosh, how did I not show off the fact that it's got a little bluebird on the other side? This is a pretty popular planter. It usually sells pretty quickly on Etsy when I get it. I paid up a little bit. I know that. I feel cheap even saying that. It was only $9, but still, this will probably sell. I wouldn't start it at less than $18 because I know that it will go quickly on Etsy for top dollar. But still, I've been trying to just move everything quickly because one thing I really like about Whatnot is the volume you can sell quickly. Because I really love going out there and doing those crazy shopping sprees. And it also makes for great content, honestly. So I have fun doing it. You can tell I'm having fun. So I'm just trying to move things along quickly. And honestly, going out and finding it is the most fun part. So, and it's even better if you get a deal, right? And speaking of deals, this little geisha figurine, this usually goes quick too. I usually sell these anywhere from $11 to $13, and they sell like instantly when I post them on Etsy. I'm trying to take the string off one-handed. There we go. They're made in Japan. Love the little face on this. And again, like I said, I only paid $2. I thought this would be a fun little item too. I only paid $4 for it. It kind of looks like a cockatoo. But now that I'm looking at it at a different angle, I'm not sure if it is. But again, only $4. It's been a while since I've had something like this. Probably at least maybe a year or two. I'm obsessed with this cat. I only paid $2.50 for it. I love its eyes. Again, it is made in Japan. It's super unique. I'm trying to see what that... Woni LTD. I've never seen that sticker before. It honestly looks kind of expensive. It's got a very unique look to it. This is not trash, by the way. This is just like a piece of chenille. It looks sketch now that I see it in my camera when I'm looking down, but I swear it was just like a carrot from a chenille rabbit. This thing is so neat. I'm gonna go ahead and look that up, but either way, I know it was a good deal. It's like the epitome of a mid-century cat. So this isn't one of the ones made in Japan. This is definitely on the newer side. I wouldn't even be surprised if it was like 90s. I'm guessing it's 80s. But again, it was only $1.60 or something, I want to say. Yeah, $2.20. So I couldn't resist, especially because it came with its little hard stand and it's got its jointed arm. So even though it's one of the newer ones, those bisque dolls usually sell pretty well for me. I don't think this one will go for anywhere near as much, obviously, because it's not one of the Japan ones. But still, I thought it would be a fun item to pick up. And speaking of newer, this one's also newer, but it was only $2.50. I'm trying to get the Scotch tape off of it. Normally something, again, I wouldn't pick up because of the age, Taiwan. But the fact that it was a cat and it was a ring holder, I still thought it was really fun. I only paid $5 for this Napco planter. I love the baby bear's face. Again, the ones with the blocks on it, I kind of feel like they don't sell as well for me. But at only $5 with that cute little face, I couldn't resist. This is such a great set. It's Miller Studios chalkware. Now, unfortunately, the large cat has a pretty beat up ear there. But it was only $6.25 for the set, so you obviously know why I picked it up. I'll probably just sell the little ones as a set, and then on the same sale, sell the big one, just because I have a feeling that these will probably go for more. I mean, obviously these will go for more than this, but I'm just not sure how desirable this is with the chip, so I want to give it its own thing, especially with the weight. This will definitely add weight to the package if I ship with these, so it would be the buyer's choice. And second to last thing I picked up, speaking about weight and shipping, this memory frame is so cool. I absolutely love these the memory jars and the memory frames, all the like little trinkets. So unique. I honestly never pick them up because they're so pricey usually. And I'm scared to ship them, even though I'm kind of like the master shipper, if I may say so. I know that sounds super self-centered, but I'm pretty good at it. But I would be so upset if this went for a decent amount of money. And I didn't make it, so I can't tell you how well it is made. Though this one seems really sturdy, and I only paid $5 for it. So, yeah, I'm really excited about this one. I never get an opportunity to sell stuff like this. There's only one more item, and I'm sorry, but it's not for sale. I'm totally keeping it. Look at this. I love this thing. I was in the booth with Jocelyn, and she was like, I feel like this is your style. And she picked it up, and my whole jaw was like, I need it. I love it so much. I'm sorry. It was $6, and it's mine. So all in all, I spent $95 at Penmart. I got some really great deals. Again, everything's going to go on the Whatnot. And if it doesn't sell there, I do try to preload all my items. So normally each sale has about 60 items and 50 of them will be preloaded. Hopefully at least the day before, but usually it's like at least a few hours before. And then the day of, I'll normally add about 10 items or so. So that's the rough estimate. And you can find my schedule on there. I'm scheduled out for the rest of the month. And then next month, of course, is going to be a wild ride because I'm going to be going across the country doing it. So, and of course, bookmark my show for the April 14th, a live marathon shopping experience from one of my favorite antique malls. And again, thank you guys. And I will see you tomorrow. Wait, no, what's today? I think my next sale is... my next sale might be happening right now, actually. Hold on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my next sale is actually happening in like a couple hours. I was trying to figure out what day this was. My next sale is going to be Friday, April 7th at 1 p.m. Eastern. Other than that, it will be on Monday. So I will see you guys when I see you. And yeah, have a great weekend.